then you always want to put this shrink wrap on first because sometimes you can't get it back over the head. But then I'll slide this piece of shrink wrap up as far as I can. And then of course, shrink it down over the wire. On this cloth wire, you should be careful. You shouldn't burn the wire with your torch. Use some carburetor cleaner and compressed air to blow through all the passages. You're going to notice all kinds of little holes, and make sure when you put them back in, notice little slots, because these little pieces are in many cases directional. This little pin should come out here